Good. The next element is similar, because it's similar to the amage. When here you will do this, both of you backward, come back and forward. So it's similar to the amage, except the amage instead of being here is one step later, here. And then that's for me a good way to start when the leader goes to his heel. For the follower will be a forward backward. And here, then you can continue. Always you link the element with a forward backward. All these elements have this motion forward backward, so always you exit that variation with the complete forward backward. After the side step, lead your partner to a step backward. And then you come back to the side, and then the leader goes forward. And when you go forward, you put your weight on your heel and go backward. Heel and go backward. Heel and go backward. And then the word that comes to my mind is you decompress with a forward backward. With a complete forward backward, you know, that moment of, it's kind of tension to be on your heels. Okay, you release the tension with a complete forward backward. Because it's a little bit like shorter than the complete change of weight, but on the heel, give the follower a little bit less space to change weight, so we were working in the idea of the follower kicking forward. Let's try, let's add that into the sequence of elements.